Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Microsoft Office 2024 directly from Microsoft's official website. First, open your web browser and search for Office Customization Tool. Then, click on the official Microsoft website. Next, click the Office Suites drop-down menu. From the list of available products, scroll down and select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. After that, scroll down to the Deployment Settings section. Under Apps, select the applications you want to install, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Then, turn off any applications that you do not need. Next, expand the Language section. Under Select Primary Language, click the drop-down menu and choose English United States. Once you have completed all your settings, click the Export button. Select Office Open XML Formats and click OK. Then tick on I accept the terms in the license agreement and click Export button. Click on Folder Download. Next, create a new folder on your computer and name it Office 2024. Then move configuration to folder Office 2024. Now go to Download Office Deployment Tool. Click Download Office Deployment Tool from official link. Click Download. Move Office Deployment Tool to folder Office 2024. Next, copy the Office 2024 folder to the C drive on your computer. Next, double-click the Office Deployment Tool file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and extract the files into the Office 2024 folder that you created earlier. Next, open Command Prompt. As an administrator, copy the path of the Office 2024 folder, paste it into the Command Prompt window, and press Enter. This will take you directly to the Office 2024 folder. Finally, type the following command and press Enter to start installing Office 2024. After you enter the setup command in CMD, Office 2024 will be installed automatically. Please wait until the installation is complete. Once the installation is complete, open the search bar and type Word. Click Accept. Click Close. Open blank document. Click Files. Click More. And select Account. The installation is complete. The next step is to activate Office.